Hi, sir. Good morning. This is Wendy from Xiamen GTL Power System. We are professional manufacturer digital genset, air compressor, digital pump, and lighting tower since 2009 years. Welcome back to our new show today. Today we want to introduce our water cool type screw air compressor. 8 bar display pressure 7 cubic meters per minute to 22 cubic minute per minute air delivery. Because of the too high temperature whether it is used, so we choose water cool type, ensure the compressor can continue work 24 hours. Now let we see our main parts. This is the air receiver. This is the medium pressure valve. This is the safety valve. This is the oil gauge. This one is the air intake valve. This is water intake. Sorry. This is air intake pipe. This is oil intake pipe. This is oil outlet pipe. This is oil separator. Usually speaking, you need to change after use 8,000 hours. Oil filter. Usually speaking, you need to change after use 250 hours. This pipe is for air and oil outlet pipe. This is air intake valve, air intake pipe. This is air end, two-stage air end. It will more efficient, emergency saving, high reliable. It is suitable for harshing work conditions of this kind of air end. This is air filter. This part is the motor, which the PMG motor. The voltage is 380. The speed is variable from 1,500 RPM to 1,650 RPM. The maximum power can reach 154 kW. The work efficiency is 96.5%. IP54 protection grade. Class F insulation. Supply with this fan to ensure reliable cooling and remove the heat of the motor. This motor has winding temperature and building temperature sensors. If the temperature is too high, it will alarm when the limit is exceeded, and the air compressor will automatically stop to protect the motor from damage. This part for put cable for end users. L1, L2, L3. This is the control system. It is powerful strength and can provide multi-language system. This part and this part is for intake for emitter. This is cooling temperature sensor. This is building temperature sensors. This is chain circuit breaker. This emitter we adopt about 160 kW. In almost every compressed air system, the air demand with time in order to meet the customer energy saving requirements under the change of the air demand. We have launched a PMG variable compressors. According to the 60% loaded state of the air compressor, compared with the constant speed air compressor, our PMG variable air compressor will save 35% energy, and compared with the ordinary variable air compressor, the energy can save 22%. You can see our design structure. is easy maintained, reliable layout, humanized design, mature models. Whether it's routine maintenance or breakdown repair, it can be easy control. Okay, if you want to save your energy and your temperature is very hot, our water cooler type screw compressor is your best choice. Welcome you contact us www.cngto.com. Thank you.